Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're outside today. We're close to the Norman Manley International Airport. We're on the Palisadoes Strip. Doing a driving video from the Palisadoes Strip to Harbour View, to Bull Bay basically. So just starting out here with you guys. That's the Carib Cement right there across the water. Right over there to the left of the screen, that's the Carib Cement Factory. Alright guys, so you know the drill. If you're new to the channel, remember to definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. You know, being a part of the family, it doesn't cost anything. Remember to like the video, remember to leave a comment, and remember to share as well. Also go over to my Instagram page, Raymore Reviews-Jamaica, and go and support. Give me a follow. I'll put that link in the comment section as well. So Palisadoes Strip, just outside of the Norman Manley International Airport, and we're doing a drive to basically Bull Bay, just outside of Harbour View. So stay tuned guys, watch to the end. A very bright sunny afternoon, blue skies, ocean on the left, ocean on the right. Right here is a quarry on the left. It's a gypsum and other rare stone that they mine. So this is like the quarry / shipment area. So ships come in and collect these different mineral deposits. And now we're approaching the Harbour View roundabout. Alright guys, enjoy the drive. Remember to leave a comment. So this road was recently widened and converted into 4 lanes. Prior it was only 1 lane on the left, 1 lane on the right. So it's now 4 lanes heading out of Harbour View. And this is in preparation to now meet up to the South Coast Highway, which will stretch from Harbour View straight into St. Thomas. And we're now coming from even downtown waterfront. All those roads coming down are 2 lanes. Carib Cement on the Florizel Glasgow, I think that's how it's pronounced, highway, that's also 4 lanes, which then meet into this 4 lanes as well, and then head into St. Thomas. So what essentially the government is trying to do is to have a highway running around the entire island, which is a really good idea. It's a superb idea. So in no time you can travel around Jamaica. So we're driving from Palisadoes to Bull Bay. There's a lot of works here and there heading into St. Thomas, because they're doing a lot of preparation work for the widening of these roads and the complete rehabilitation of these roads as well. So lots of preparation for the highway. I know certain business and complex will have to be relocated, similar to what they did on Agri Park Road. So lots of work out this side. I'll definitely try capture as much as I can for you guys, so you guys can see what's happening. Guys, and again, remember to leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this side of the world. I know personally I don't travel this side regular, so I'm just happy to be able to give you guys some coverage. So not a long video, it's just a quick drive from Harbour View, from Palisadoes Strip right here to out here in Bull Bay. The left over there, which you can see in the top corner of your screen, I think that's a big quarry, limestone and marl around this side. And I'm sure when the highway is complete and all these roads, you know, are renovated, I'm sure everybody will be completely happy. Alright guys, thanks for clicking, thanks for watching. I appreciate all the support, and you know, you guys always drive safe, and I'll definitely catch you guys on another video.